Landcare are such a trusted partner within their communities. There is this misconception that Landcare is just about planting trees, but the diversity is amazing. It's so inspiring. You see in-school education happening up in the northwest. There's a really fantastic program happening in the Murrumbidgee around at-risk youth and mental health. We provide support through community of practice, bringing people together, sharing knowledge, peer-to-peer learning.
The South East Local Leaders program became a lovely foundational piece of our community of practice in South East New South Wales. It was born out of recognising that communities thrived where they had good leaders. The program itself is, I think, going to provide an incredible opportunity now and into the future.
Landcare New South Wales has a big focus on Aboriginal partnerships and learning from one another and weaving those knowledges together. We have so many partnerships across the state. Being able to work with philanthropic partners is just another step to diversifying the funding that can have an impact on ground.
Ozfish and Landcare working together, we've actually covered over 100 rivers and environments together. Important foundational habitats for fish like salt marsh, mangroves. Working with Landcare brings us those partnerships with the fantastic farmers that are already looking to do great things with their local waterways and their local rivers. And what then Ozfish can bring along is funding to help support that river restoration work, but also the expertise on what's best for the local riparian area.
We really value and partner with Landcare New South Wales because they're such a trusted presence in local communities. They're really enabling us to fast-track projects with community and provide a network for Maloon to bring their expertise to those communities.
We couldn't do the work that we do at BirdLife without local Landcare coordinators. For a species like the Regent honeyeater that are declining, they're often reliant on the 70% of that woodland that is actually on private property, and the local Landcare coordinators are the ones that are putting us in touch with those landholders.
The issues that we're tackling this century, they demand widespread community ownership, community engagement and community involvement. And Landcare has got 40 years of experience in how to do that and how to do it really well.
Any investment into Landcare, you'll see the multiplier effect of community buy-in. We ensure that those projects are self-sustaining and continue beyond the initial funding investment. Every time I speak to a coordinator or a volunteer, I walk away inspired. It's not just a job. They're there because they're passionate about their community, they're passionate about the work they're doing.
As a land carer, I know what I do matters. I'm very, very happy in this space because we have support and we have a government that is looking at it and going, well, actually, yeah, you guys are doing good work. So that matters to me.
The people who are attracted to Landcare are people who want to build community, are people who care about the environment. There's a lot of heart in Landcare.
Landcare is such a wonderful support and it is really integral in our community.
Landcare is about empowering people and encouraging people and just giving them a sense of being able to do something to look after our environment and to make it a better place.